I'm under a 2002 Nissan Altima 3.5. I'm under the front passenger wheel well with the wheel off, and I'm showing you the location of the power steering pressure sensor switch, and you can see that mine's broken off. I've got it unplugged, and I've got the piece out of the plug, and I don't have the right tools to get that off. Most of the time they say you need a deep 27 millimeter socket, which I have, but there's no room in here to get it on there because there's, you know, the wall right here. So a straight long open end wrench looks like the ticket. I have a 26, not a 27, so I placed it up there to see what tool would be the tool needed. So I need to go get a 27 wrench, and I'll show you what I have. I'll come out of here and I'll show you where this is located, and I'll back out. But there you see the switch and the plug, and I'll back out. So let me get back farther. So the wheel's off, and I sprayed a little green paint right there. That's where it's located. So when you go down and under, it's up in there. So you know where it's located. Cool. I figured that out. And what do I have? This piece right here is the other part of it. There you go. This piece just broke off. So there's the new one waiting to go in, and I'll show you. Here's the 27 socket that it fits in. If the socket could get in there, that would have been wonderful, but I couldn't get it in there. So I've got a 26-inch wrench, nice long whatever one, but it's not big enough for but it looks like I've been using this end to get straight up in there. Move it a little, turn it over, move it a little, turn it over. It looks like the way to go. So no socket for this particular car. So there you go. There's no video on where the heck that thing's located. I finally found it. I hope you guys appreciate what I found and what tool I suggest, and go from there. Take care.